Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel for free and legally, of course. So for that, we're not going to use the desktop version of Excel. We're going to use actually the online version of Excel, which is free. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to office.live.com, start excel.aspx. I'm gonna put the link right below the video so you can go and check it out. So you have to log in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have one. I'm just gonna leg you in and meet you right after. So immediately after you logged in, you are into Excel Online, and the cool thing is it's very similar to the regular version of Excel that we are used to work with. So you can upload your workbooks from your regular Excel and work on it online, and you can open a new one. And okay, so it's a bit slow because it's in my browser and the connection is not great here, but the cool thing is it's really very similar to what we use normally. You have all the options of Excel. If you can use the formulas as well, so it kind of depends here. I don't know why, but the formulas are in French. Maybe I have to customize actually the yeah, so I don't know. I don't quite know why. I think there is a setting that I must change somewhere to put the formulas in English. But if English is your primary language, it's going to be all in English because I use Excel in French a lot. So there must be something remaining in French. But the cool thing is you can use all the options that you use to to use in regular Excel. You have pivot tables, you have formulas, you have everything you want. You have charts as well, and you can use everything online. And this is free, so you don't have to buy a license for desktop Excel. So this is cool if you don't want to, if you can't buy Excel at the moment. And this is the regular version from Microsoft. So this is a legal option, which is really cool. And as well, which is nice, well, I won't mention it here because it's not the purpose of this video, but you have also all the options of, you can use Word and all the other software from Microsoft here. And where is it? Yeah, you can as well share with some people, share with your friends or most likely your colleagues, and actually invite people so they can modify it online. You can send them a link where they can view or edit the workbook, so they can work on it online, which is really cool. Yeah, so that's how you can use Excel for free online. I hope this is going to be helpful to you, and I'm going to show you tomorrow. I'm going to see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you will be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye guys.